Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to download ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, just tap on Accept and Continue. Then select Not Now. Now on this page, just tap on Ringtones at the bottom row on the screen. And from here, just select any ringtone which you like. For an example, I will select this one. Now to download the ringtone which you have selected, just tap on the download button over here and select Set Ringtone. Then enable this toggle. After that, just go back to the app. And as you can see, we have successfully downloaded the selected ringtone. Now if we go to the home screen and open the settings app, from here, just go to Sounds and Vibration, then tap on Ringtone. As you can see, we have successfully downloaded the selected ringtone and we have set it as the ringtone of our device. And this is how you can download a ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.